Hi, I'm Lorren and I've been with the company since 2005. I started as an apprentice. Now I've gone on to do group support, so working quite closely with all sites. We do have regular meetings with our group operations managers, just allowing us to then feed back into sites and supporting obviously the staff really. Well, training is the main part of the job, so obviously new customer liaison that we have working for the company, one-to-one training which we have, and then on to visiting sites. I'm just really working alongside people and helping where needs be. I left the company to have my little boy, but yeah, it was quite easy coming back to work, everything fitted in nicely and everyone worked around me, so yeah, it was nice to come back. Everyone's so friendly, it's like a little family that we have, AW family. Yeah, it's part of me, I suppose. Yeah, love my job, I do.